Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today is another cleaning day in the machine shed. The other 2 days I was cleaning out here. I got my shelf put back in, got this whole area cleaned, and got this whole area cleaned. It was just a giant mess. Now, well, this I just made. I had to empty a 5-gallon pail, and I probably should have used this pail right here that just had the captain in it, instead of dumping out the pail that was over here that was full of this stuff. But I do need to find a place for all this stuff, and I believe I'm going to put most of it on this pegboard here. And I do have some hooks that are set up for the rest of the stuff. I'll get this taken care of. But my biggest priority is getting the table saw cleared off. I need to cut 25 stakes for the 25 trees that I have coming. I have 25 bur oak trees coming any day now, and Natalie and I need to get into the woods and along here and mark their locations, and then those stakes are going to stay there for a couple years, so they have to be fairly nice stakes. Also, my concrete, I was going to put this back there and let it harden as part of the fill on the side of the building here, but now I'm going to go through it, and the ones that are perfectly good Natalie is going to use to make stairways. We have a concrete form that makes like pavers. It has little patterns, makes it kind of look like flat rocks. Natalie's going to do that for her area that we cleared across the street. My ultimate goal is, during these 3 days of rain, is to get rid of this stuff. I want to get this drywall on the ceiling in room 13 there, so that the tractor is clear, and then finish up on my electronic ignition. I'm just about done with it. I need to get this tractor running so that I can use it in the field this year. It may not happen, but I certainly should be able to get the tractor going. All right, let's get started. Okay, got a little bit done. Now I'm gonna have to get this kind of organized, but I don't know how much I want to do with that. This is all going back in the gator that's for the horse pasture over there. We have 3 days of rain today and the next 2 days, and this is on hold while it does rain. So it's got to be in here, but I really can't have this all in my way here. I got part of this done, but got a good ways to go yet. This looks pretty nice, but I guess it'll be a little more cluttered once I get the saw back in here. When this tractor's gone, I have my 3 220 outlets, and I'm going to hook up the woodworking machinery right here and then roll it back when it's not in use. And hopefully I can work outside. I don't want to get this place all full of dust, but it's kind of inevitable. Oh well, I was hoping to have a wood shop this summer, but it's not going to happen, and I really need my machines set up. So this has to go. So this place has to be cleaned so I can get to it. And I got, what is it, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 buckets of fertilizer that gotta go. These 4 are all nitrogen. That is a mix, NPK, and that's MAP and potash, if I remember correctly, which just needs some nitrogen to be a balanced fertilizer. The reason we have so much nitrogen compared to the balanced stuff is that the pastures need to be fertilized, and they need a lot more nitrogen than the rest of the stuff. All right, enough jibber jabber. I'm gonna get this done, and then I'll have to split up some wood to get my stakes cut, and I have to cut some wood up for Natalie's windows, doing something up there as well, so I better get going. So, all ready for tomorrow. Yeah, this will be nice having this room done so I can put shelves in here and get some stuff in here. These rolling carts can go in here. This is going to be the room for the stuff that can't freeze. So it has a thermostat that goes right here. And when it gets down to 34 degrees, I think, it will take it up to 40 degrees in here. Hopefully that won't cost too much, but we just don't have the room in the house for, and we don't want to bring all the stuff in, all the paints and stuff. Well, not really the latex paints, but it's glue and other stuff like that. And some of the chemicals shouldn't freeze. But that's it for today. Get some of these lights off. Yeah, hopefully I can get this place done, or the ceiling at least, done tomorrow. And like I said, I really want to get this door on so I can get my urinal. Where is that? That's it down there. This is a urinal too. It was discontinued and somebody gave it to me. It's a floor model. Well, there it is right there. Not sure if you could see that. Big commercial floor model. I'll find a place for that as well. But the place is looking really nice. I'll just cut my sheetrock out here, bring it in, screw it in, and hopefully I can do it efficient enough to get her done tomorrow. So I'm going to take this seed, go grab the dog, and take a nice long walk and toss the seed, and then tomorrow get to this drywall. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you give us a thumbs up and or share the video, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.